Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how you can achieve these loose curls using a curling iron. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so you want to start by brushing your hair, obviously. Get out any knots or tangles. I just brushed it earlier, so there isn't much to brush right now. And then you want to part it. I like to part it into 2 sections. Some people part it into 3 sections because they have a lot of hair. I personally do not have that much hair. Also, I am balding now. Well, not balding, but all my hair is starting to fall out because apparently after you give birth to a human baby, losing hair also comes with it. So lucky, aren't we? Just all your hair starts falling out. So fun. Anyways, so I sectioned it off into 2 sections, and I'm going to start with my lower hair. But after I section it off into 2, I part it in the back and down the middle, so I have hair like this. Okay, I like to start right here with my sideburns. So now this is the thing. You want, holy shit, it's really high temperature. You want to grab about, I guess this is a little too much, like an inch. I don't know, like you don't want to grab too much because then there's too much hair on the iron and it doesn't curl, like it doesn't curl as well. So you don't want to grab too much and you don't want to grab too little. Now, one thing I like to try and remember is you want to curl your hair away from your face. So you want this clamp part, see this part, to be pointing outside. Away, outside from your face. I go halfway and then I curl in. Careful not to touch your face with that. Then I hold it there, and then I hold the end of my hair and I slide it down, and I curl in again, and then I hold. I don't know, for about 3 seconds. Was that more than 3 seconds? Maybe 5 seconds, 4 seconds. Ta-da! And there's my curl. And I don't curl it all the way to the end. I'll show you again. Again, index finger, well, when I'm doing my left side because I'm right-handed. So index finger on the, what would you call this? The clamp, the trigger, whatever. Trigger, I don't know what to call it. Curl it in. Pull down. Curl it again.
You finished one side. Now we're going to go to this side.
Now, this time when I do my right side, the hair on the right side of my face, I hold the trigger with my thumb. So I put it in so that it's facing the front. And I'm holding it with my thumb now. Slide it out. Is that right? Am I doing it right? Yep. And release. Don't mind my wonky eye, it's because my contacts are dry right now. Usually when I do the bottom of my hair, like the first section, this bottom section of my hair, I don't mind if my curls are a little bit looser because it kind of gives your hair some length. You know what I'm saying? I'll make my curls a little bit tighter, or I'll focus or hold them longer when I do the top section of my hair. Okay, so that's that. Then I like to, you gotta tie this hair that you just did. If you have a clip, that's great. Use a clip, but I don't know where my clip is. I don't know where anything is anymore. So I do, however, always have a hair elastic on my wrist. You know, you can't not have a hair elastic on your wrist when you wake up every 3 hours to breastfeed your baby. Gotta get all that hair out of your face, you know? Okay, so I did not explain properly. I'll grab the front little bit of my hair, like an inch or so, I don't know. Again, now I'm doing my left side, because I'm right-handed, but I'm doing my left side, so triggers on my index finger, and the clamp is facing forward. Pin it down, curl it in, pull it down, curl it in, and hold it for a little bit, and release. There you go. And I'll show you again. This hand on the trigger, clamp facing forward, slide it in, pull it down, curl it in, hold, 1, 2, 3, slide it down, hold, 1, 2, 3. If you want to get a little bit closer to the end, you can pull and slide it out. Look. moving on to my right side again. This is just the way I do it. I'm not saying everybody should do it this way, but if you want quick curls. So if I'm doing my right hand, I know it's like this, but you get used to it. So I grab my hair at the front, I pull, and then my thumb is on the trigger, clamp is facing forward, and I curl. And I pull away, and I curl. Keep it curling. Put in and release. Ta-da!
Strangely enough, I find that my curls on the left side of my head actually turn out nicer than the curls on the right side of my head. I don't know. Always. Me, always.
I guess I use this finger too, but the initial like first clamp, when you do your right side, I think I use my thumb. That way I know it's facing. That way I know it's facing like the right way. You know, if I use my index, look, it's not. Well, actually, I guess you could. No, yeah, this feels weird to me. I don't know. This just feels right. Okay, so when you are done curling the second section or the top section of your hair, you're going to release the hair on the bottom section. And I like to just run my fingers through it real quick. Not too much, because these curls weren't too tight to begin with. And that's it. That's how I did my hair. Yeah. This is how to curl your hair with a curling iron 101. This, by the way, is a 1.5 inch barrel, I think. Yeah, I think this is a 1.5 inch barrel. Or is it a 1 inch barrel? I think this is 1.5. Should I show you the back? And that's it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you like what you see, then please hit the like button. And if you guys would like to see more, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.